In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the attach option, how to choose between sharing a cloud link or uploading from your device, and a few practical tips so your teammates can open and use your files without any hiccups. Sharing in Teams is designed to be quick and familiar. Whether you're in a private chat with a colleague or posting in a channel for your whole team, the file sharing controls live right where you type your message. That means you don't need to jump into a separate screen or leave your conversation to get a document in front of the right people. Start by opening the chat or channel where you want to share. Click inside the message box to compose a new message. Now look for the small paperclip or attach icon near the formatting options. That's your entry point to sharing. If you don't see it immediately, hover over the toolbar in the message area and it should appear alongside the emoji and formatting tools. From here, you have two simple paths. If your file already lives in the cloud, like in OneDrive or a Teams SharePoint documents, choose the option to share it via link. You'll be able to browse your cloud folders, select the file, and add it to your message. Teams will insert a link to that document, so there's no uploading delay. A quick tip: confirm the link permissions are right for your audience. For example, you might allow everyone in your organization to view or let specific recipients edit. Clear permissions help avoid access issues after you send. If the file is saved on your computer, choose the option to upload from this device. Browse to the file, select it, and Teams will attach it to your message. You'll see the file name or a small preview appear in the Compose area while it uploads. Larger files can take a moment, so letting the upload finish before you send ensures recipients get the file immediately. Consider adding a short note in the message to explain what the file is and whether you'd like them to review or edit it. When the link or attachment looks good, send your message. In a channel, that file will also be accessible from the Files tab for easy reference later. To keep things smooth, use descriptive file names, prefer cloud links for large documents or ongoing collaboration, and choose view or edit access based on what you need. That's all there is to it. Open your message, tap the clip icon, share a cloud link, or attach from your device, and you're done. Happy sharing in Microsoft Teams.